Hi, I'm Dr. John Shovik, and I'm the CTO of SwitchTalk Labs. We're here today to present you with the BC24. The BC24 stands for Big Circle. We have 24 highly programmable LEDs in a perfect circle, R, G, B, and W LEDs, and they're all driven by an ESP32, which is a dual-core processor right here with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi all built in. And we use that device to drive all these LEDs, but there's lots of CPU power for anything else you want to do. But what really makes this into a maker board? Oh, it's what's on the back. Look at all these Grove connectors. We have Grove connectors for I2C devices. There's hundreds of sensors out there. We have them for digital input and output. We have analog input and output. What, analog output? Yes, we can actually drive analog signals out of the ESP32 and a serial port to boot. Hey, take a look at the rest of our video. We're going to talk about the cool things you can do with this. Here's the BC24 set up to be a very high sensitivity air quality sensor. Very cool. It's connected through a Grove connector, and we're using the analog to digital converter inside the ESP32 to do all sorts of things. Data analysis, display the quality there, all sorts of things like that. Hi, here's a way you can actually put the BC24 on solar power and put it out in your yard, charge it up during the day, display things at night. The world's coolest nightlight, no question about it. A solar panel, a battery, the BC24, and a Sun Control SwitchTalk Labs controller program board, and you've got magic. And another thing you can do with the BC24, you can actually turn it into a full weather station. You can use the BC24 to display temperature, to do all sorts of different things. In this particular kit, there's actually an OLED display that plugs right into the center of the BC24, so you can put more text and things like that up on there too. You talk to all these different weather instruments: outdoor temperature, barometric pressure, wind speed, wind direction, rainfall. Very cool.